glad you found my channel, Sweet Uniquities, where everything I do here is always sweet and custom for an event, making it a true uniquity. Today is no exception. Today we're doing some home sweet home cupcake toppers. My friend Pam has a friend here in North Georgia that lives very close to where I do now. And he just purchased a brand new home with his 2 beautiful daughters, and she wanted to send something to celebrate the occasion. So I'm making cupcake toppers for this family, and I hope that you will stick around and see the cute ideas that I have for them. When I think new home, I think new keys. And so I thought the first topper that I would do would be a edible fondant key. In order to make this, I had to use a key that I had on hand, and I made a model, excuse me, not a model, a mold of that key. So this is the mold that I made. This is food grade materials, so you don't have to worry about that. And I have a video that you can, I will link it down below, that shows you exactly how to make molds when you need a fondant topper and you just don't know where else to get it. Sometimes the best thing to do is just make it. So this is called mold putty, I believe. So anyway, so I'm gonna just fill this little mold up with some fondant that I have mixed with Tylose, and then I will pull it out and we'll see what we've got. So the next thing I was thinking was, you know, it is a house, right? So we have to have a little house. So I'm going to show you how to make a very simple little house. I'm going to use, I had a cookie cutter set that I got after Christmas one year that's actually a little present, and then there's a large one too. I'm gonna use this as the bottom of my house, and I'm gonna chop off the bow. We're gonna put a little heart in there because heart is where the home is. Home is where the heart is. You know that saying. Home is where the heart is. And then we're gonna put a little triangle roof on top. So super simple, basic shapes. The hardest part of this project is just knowing how to say home is where the heart is. That's the hardest part, for sure. So I would love it if you guys would tell me a little bit about yourselves. I am getting more and more subscribers all the time, which I am so thankful for. I seriously appreciate each and every one of you. I would love to know more about you. Like, what kinds of videos would you like to see? Do you like my craft videos? Do you like the cupcakes? Do you like just a little bit of everything? Do you know, are there, topics that you would like me to try to address? Let me know. I'm happy to accommodate my audience. So in the meantime, please leave me a comment. Let me know what kinds of videos you would like to see in the future.
I somehow lost making the roof, but it's just a little black triangle. That's all there is to the roof. Sorry about that. Now it's time to paint those fondant keys that I made.
For the last set of toppers, I decided it would be really awesome to put this family's zip code on a topper. Right now, zip codes on pillows and artwork and keychains are kind of all the rage. So I thought it would be really cute to enhance the topper in that manner.
These are my favorite edible markers. They have a nice fine tip. I will leave them linked down below, or something similar from Amazon. These chocolate salted caramel cupcakes with these cute little home toppers are sure to bring a smile to this family. I hope that you enjoyed today's video and that you'll come back and see me soon. Have a sweet and unique day. We'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.